day 4 here in the Dolomites, and today we're gonna drive up to a small mountain town called Ridnaun.
We're hoping to see the cattle come down from the mountain. Apparently it's a big deal. I'm excited.
So is this event the kind of thing where you get to get dressed up in flowers and bells, or is it just for the cows?
I don't know, but I'd really like a Tyrolean alpine hat.
Hell yeah.
I want one of those hats. So I really wanted one of those hats, but I don't know how I'd ship it home or fly with it, so I had to pass. So now we're just walking up the road looking for the cows. It's 10:30. Still no cows.
I don't think the cows care what time they scheduled the event to start.
Still no cows.
Totally hear the cows coming down the mountain now.
Man vill så blir ist jeder Jahr så fest, weil jeder der dorthin joggt, die Sorgen fallen lässt. Und vor dem Haus die Linde, sie hat schon viel gesehen, denn mehr als 100 Jahre sah sie vorübergehen. Beim Wind zur grünen Linde ist jeden Tag ein Fest, weil jeder, der dorthin schaut, die Sorgen fallen lässt.
That was way better than we could have expected. That was so much fun. It was so loud. Now, it's time for a beer.
Thank you.
I got a little bell with an Edelweiss on cowhide. I think it's going to be a Christmas ornament.
This was epic.
So amazing. How many people you think stepped in cow poop today?
I don't know, but I got cow poop slung onto my leg.